The Vivo V17 Pro has a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display. It houses AI-enabled quad cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel Super Clarity primary camera, an 8-megapixel Super Ultra Wide-Angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera, and a 13-megapixel camera that offers 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. The rear camera comes with a host of AI features to aid you with your photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has the world's first 32-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual pop-up camera. The super wide-angle front camera adds a new perspective to selfies. It also has a night mode to help with low-light selfies. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Vivo V17 Pro runs on the FunTouch OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM along with 128GB storage. It also sports a game mode called Game Turbo to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The V17 Pro is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4100 mAh lithium polymer battery and supports dual engine fast charging. The box includes the handset, earphones, power adapter, USB cable, quick starter guide, case, pre-applied screen protector, and SIM tray ejector. The V17 Pro comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.